Torrential slide value sort of equivalent to $17.7300 a coin, or so they really thought. The present exchange cost range, 17.620 to 18.3600, which essentially is very critical. The earlier day close, 17.6500 in an unobtrusive way. The change sort of was plus 0.0800, plus 0.45%. Converse rate, USD to AVAX in a really significant way. Torrential slide value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $18.04, most extreme $19.30, really least $16.78 amazingly. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $18.04, exceptionally most extreme $19.30, certainly least $16.78 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $17.50, kind of greatest $18.73 in every way that really matters, least $16.28, which generally is very critical. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost $17.59, beautiful greatest $18.82, lovely least $16.36 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $18.07, greatest $19.33, extremely least $16.81, which generally is genuinely huge. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, April 13, cost $17.99, sort of most extreme $19.25, essentially least $16.73, in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost $18.64, certainly most extreme $19.94, truly least $17.34, which especially is genuinely critical. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $18.91, certainly most extreme $20.23, truly least $17.59 in an every practical sense, significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $18.20, extremely greatest $19.47, genuinely least $16.93, which by and large is very huge. In about 14 days torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost $18.43, certainly greatest $19.72, exceptionally least $17.14 in a genuinely significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $18.38, genuinely greatest $19.67, exceptionally least $17.09, which is very huge. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, April 21, cost $17.73, extremely greatest $18.97, especially least $16.49 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $18.59, genuinely most extreme $19.89, least $17.29, which really shows that torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost $17.50, kind of greatest $18.73, exceptionally least $16.28 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost $17.83, essentially greatest $19.08, kind of least $16.58, which for the most part is very huge. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $18.70, truly most extreme $20.01, all things considered, least $17.39 in a very significant way. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost $17.77, exceptionally greatest $19.01, beautiful least $16.53, or so they explicitly thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $18.30, fundamentally most extreme $19.58, all things considered, least $17.02, exhibiting how in 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $18.70, essentially greatest $20.01, genuinely least $17.39, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide estimate on Monday, May 1, cost $17.62, sort of most extreme $18.85, least $16.39 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $19.64, all things considered, most extreme $21.01, certainly least $18.27 in a fundamentally enormous way. In about a month torrential slide figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost $19.95, genuinely greatest $21.35, least $18.55, which really is very critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $18.11. Lovely most extreme 19.38, beautiful least 16.84. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, May 5, cost $18.85. Lovely greatest 20.17, all things considered, least 17.53. So torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $19.64. By and large most extreme 21.01, especially least 18.27 in a for the most part significant manner. USD to AVAX conversion scale commonly equivalent to 0.0564 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S reach 0.0545 minus 0.0568 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby 0.0567, or so they truly thought. Change for now 0.0003, 0.53%, which really shows that torrential slide conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $17.73, exceptionally greatest 18.97, lovely least 16.49 and in an every practical sense, significant way. USD to AVAX cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a kind of significant manner. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.055 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.060, by and large least 0.052, or so they fundamentally thought. USD to AVAX expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 0.055 coins. Kind of greatest 0.060, especially least 0.052 and in every practical sense, huge way. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Monday, April 10, cost 0.057 coins. Beautiful greatest 0.061, certainly least 0.053, which explicitly is very huge. USD to AVAX forecast on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.057 coins. Especially most extreme 0.061, exceptionally least 0.053. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.055 coins. Most extreme 0.059, sort of least 0.052. Exhibiting that dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost 0.057 coins. Genuinely greatest 0.061, certainly least 0.053 in a quite enormous way. USD to AVAX expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.056 coins. Genuinely greatest 0.060, essentially least 0.052, which in every practical sense is very huge. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Friday, April 14, cost 0.054 coins. Sort of greatest 0.058. By and large least 0.050, which especially is genuinely huge. USD to AVAX expectation on